Hello everyone and welcome back to the Solidworks video training session. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to use the pack and go feature in Solidworks. Basically, if you want to send just the assembly file or want to upload the assembly file into the cloud or send it to the client companies, the best way to do and the most common way is the IGS format or the Parasolid format, STL or the step format. These are the best ways to send just the assembly file to the client or to upload into the cloud. But sometimes the client companies also need each and individual part design for the manufacturing purpose. So what you need to do, you need to send all the parts including the CAD assembly, and here this is where the problem arises. You also need to include each and every bolt and nut which was used in designing this assembly. So sometimes it is very difficult to find that nuts and bolts, also some parts which were in the toolbox which were utilized to make this assembly from the toolbox, and you need to collect all those parts into one single file and send it to your client. And this is one of the hectic tasks, because even if you miss one component, the client may land into rebuild problems. So in order to avoid this, the pack and go feature is helpful. It can zip it helps you to locate all the files which you utilize in making the assembly, and it zips all those files into one single file. Alright, so this is how it works. Click on file, go to pack and go, and the moment you click on pack and go, you'll get a multiple options, such as you can also include the drawings if you have made any assembly 2D drawings, also the simulation results if you have performed any FEA or the computation of dynamic results, and it also includes, this is the most beneficial thing, it also includes the nuts, bolts, anything which was grabbed from the toolbox to design the assembly. It also includes the renderings and suppressed components, so the client only sees the components which are unsuppressed. So make sure you click on save to zip file, and you can also, after the file gets zipped, you can also email this file directly to the client, rather than you email yourself to the client. You can just directly, the moment it gets zipped, it can get emailed to the client. So this is how it works. So make sure you click save and zip to zip file, and it gets started zipping. It takes some time, and finally the file will be ready. So this is where the file is located. So the file is completely and amazingly got zipped with all the pictures and 2D drawings which were used to design this assembly. So this is how the pack and go feature works. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave below in the comments box, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.